Remember when me just a starting in the chef industry, a man look for me and tell me, say, remember, say, you come here for wash plate and wipe floor in a boy. Go around the sun. This. They are with me, baby, you know this straight up. Violator get your head bust like cake cut. Love you, baby. What do them? You think I chattings? Bang, bang, boom!
What's good, YouTube? You don't know your girl Ali the right, yes, sir.
And you done to see the king, down.
Yes, guys.
Alright, now, guys, me have something more to address. I want to see my face, though. I'm upset. Tired of it. You understand? Because me tell you, say, that's why crime can't stop. And nah stop, because the people with position ramp with poor people and get them jelly boss. Anyway, I could go in it. Yeah, guys, you have some people you work for, and you have some people where just assist. But you see right now how the earth around and what go on, guys. Right now, if me never smart and me never have my head for my body, right now, what I say now? What the term? Would I catch fish out of water? Muna back shit out of hog mouth.
Yeah, guys, yeah. The older folks term.
So guys, let me tell you straight. From pandemic, things get wicked. And I decide say, I'm gonna start my thing. You understand? And that being said, me get in it and it might not fast and it might not speed the Gonzales or Usain Bolt.
Everything takes time, guys. And we're in a pandemic.
But we not suffer and I go to bed hungry at night time. People start saying I'm rich. You understand, guys? And me's a youth, me wear all one suit of clothes for the whole week. I'm not afraid because me's a youth, as me tell you now, me is a man, me live a normal life. Me not have nothing for hype about or nothing to prove to nobody. Alright. Words in the streets say girl king rich. I go more than one place and people are telling me that, and it only come from a certain source because they who know me and associate themselves with me and have an idea about what I go on with, have an idea about what me I go on with, can speculate that. Because stranger don't know nothing about you, though.
So true.
Alright, guys. What them call rich? What them classify as being rich?
Comment it down below and tell us
what you call rich.
Yeah.
Who can you survive and rich? Eat a meal and eat a 3 scores meal. And sometimes you can't even eat 3 score meal. Sometimes I one for a day. What them call rich? You not drive a Benz, you not live a cherry yard up on the hill.
We have a Benz, we have a BMW, guys.
Yeah, better me walk.
Yeah?
Better me walk.
Not tired with.
So I'm going deeper at night. There, out of the industry for say 9 months. 3 months less a year, guys. So, and from then till now, I'm me straight, king straight, I do them things straight, me and Alia. Because we have a cooking channel too, guys, and you can go over there and check it out. Cooking with Chef Reed and Chef Alexander.
Yeah, guys, it's always pinned in the comment section and the description in there as well. And
90% I want to stick on the channel because it's more likely ordered.
Don't
we do
order.
a la carte style. You have a la carte restaurant to run, guys. So, and we do functions, weeks, 9 nights, birthday parties,
whatever.
Whatever it is.
Link us up, guys.
But everything on we have a website, Reed's Catering, so you can check it out and you can link from there so too. And you can link
in
from
the description
the Instagram
as well.
Everything in the description, guys. So people see things are going and they don't know how hard they have to work. You understand? They don't know how hard they have to save. They don't know where they have to go through the amount of disrespect. Remember when me just starting in the chef industry, a man look for me and tell me, say, remember, say, you come here for wash plate and wipe floor in a boy. Go around the sun. This, I say, okay. Where is he now? Where is he now?
Guys, and them words, they cut a person to the T because, not because a person come to do a certain thing, that's what we always talk about. Don't look down on anybody, and that's so wrong. Not because a person come to do that, you're gonna point it out to them. They know what they're there for. You understand? So don't make a person feel bad in themselves because you have position over them or you in a higher rank than them. Treat everybody equal, everybody with respect and love. It will be given back to you.
Yeah, guys. I'm tired. Because when a man work for him thing, him forget him thing. You understand? A man work for him, work for him.
See that? You work for what you want, but at the end of the day, when you receive...
put in the work. You put in all of this hard work.
Yeah.
And when you forget what you forget.
Reap. Can't.
space and hold back on you.
Why?
Nobody no want give you what you forget. And you know yourself, you know, because you subscribe to my channel and you watch my video them. You know yourself, brother. I mean, I tell you this is just the warm up, this is just the ice on the berg. I never ever say iceberg, you know, the ice on the berg. I'm not talk lettuce. Yeah, you know yourself, brother, I can tell you this. You see, if you don't go and procrastinate and go and wall out for my thing, you're going to just bring it to the world and make the people them know who me I deal with and who me I refer to. So me I tell you, say, you miss a man in the jacket and tie. You miss a lady. Just
whoever
do my
it may
thing,
be.
just do the right thing. And just do something before something do no.
We really
because
don't
right
want
now,
this
you
to
nah
go.
go on good.
I really don't want
Nah,
this to
go
go
on good.
out of turn. We just want to be dealt with confidentially, and if that's not gonna be the case, then
Remember, you know, one of that expects a car, you don't know, say, me is a little man in a shell. I'm always, me not talk much, I'm staying in my lane. And now, since me start talk out and lick out on certain things, and I start say, me not have no manners. And no manners me not have. And no manners me not have.
fed up, it's been
And
too
mature,
long.
me get mature and realize I not take man for idiot too long. Me tired of one. Just do the right thing and make me get where me forget. Me not going to elaborate on this and me not going to cuss about this because me not girl alone cuss. You hear that? Me not go come in on the face and start up because me not give her my rights. And that me I tell Uno, me not give her my rights. You hear? So if you not continue on the party, we can do it, you know. Two of we can go there. Alright then, let's go there. Because you don't want me to tell the world. You don't want me to bring certain things to the world. And to the media. So you stop play with me. And just do the right thing. You understand? Because I never come beg on nothing. And I hand out me I deal with. I hard me go for what I want. Hard. And I'm sorry for things. Because you never sorry for me.
Guys,
Because all when I reach to the top, when they still try to push me down, I'm still there above you.
barrel
When I
mentality.
can't
Why?
walk in my shoes, brother. When I on my level and that about no. That's why I now fight me so hard. Only the fittest are the fittest survive. I'm still a survive. Me not hungry.
Many are
Me not
called,
suffer.
but few are chosen.
But what due to Caesar, give to Caesar.
So true.
Give me what I forget, brethren, and if stop it.
Guys,
When you think me that come nice and calm and hello guys, tonight we're gonna speak about
no.
I'm tired of it. Bullshit you not go on with, brethren. Do the right thing. Yeah, me I tell you now again, do the right thing. Because me there do the right thing, you know. Me there do the right thing. So just do the right thing.
Alright guys, so with that being said, you know what always are going to the thought for today. The thought for today is deal with everybody with respect equally, not because you have position, you deal with people according, and just stay blessed, put God first in whatever you do, and just give him the praise, the glory in your good and your bad times, because I really him. Yeah, so you have to just give God thanks. And with that being said, come on, man.
Me still a say this. That's why crime can't stop and not stop. Because the people them in the position take poor people for idiot and get them jelly bus. And then make it look like say the youths them this and them that. When I force the youths them for the foolishness. Do the right thing. Do the right thing.
Alright guys.
You wouldn't have so much crime and violence in Jamaica if you don't do the right thing. Because when you can't use people and expect say, if you go and box shit out of hog mouth, that no spell sense. I'm matter of fact, I don't even know if it's spell sense right now, because I have none right now. And the reality that, just do the right thing, people. You don't know yourself, because I watch my channel. And I uno me attack. Not even uno, like you. You in the black jacket. You in the black shirt. And you around the desk. And you will manage everything too. You may attack. Just do the right thing. That may I tell you. Just do the right thing. And for that, me even now go prolong this. And guys, me tell you that the video now go long and it just go short and spicy. Me just give them a heads up and walk one. I know in the comment section I go ask what it's all about and wait for. But we go see more if them refuse to do the right thing.
Guys, we're just starting. We just be us and, wanting normal things. You understand? Everybody want have what them have, you feel me? So that's just what we're doing, and it'll cause a problem. But nevertheless, we're just gonna give God thanks in our good and our bad time, and give him the praises because him and him alone. So
it's when a man have a good woman, him just have a good woman, you know. It's when a man have a alright. You know me, I elaborate too
guys,
much.
just
But
make we just
let me just say this one more.
Yeah.
You see the ocean big, guys. And you see when you see a woman, if you guard the shallow side, right at the seashore there, so you have to catch sprat. And some little fish with them call name. Snap.
Tiki.
Not me did not go tiki. Me not go so low. Me I put some little value upon the front, upon the shore, upon the shallow side. And I think them call name grunt. You understand? Sprat and grunt. But you see when you step out a little deeper, you might see one doctor. You see me, and you go a little deeper, you see one wrenchman.
Salmon.
When you reach in the middle of the sea, you see salmon. You see sea bass. You see me, you know how much for a slab of sea bass? $20,000. So guys, may I tell you this. You know what you want. And make the right decision. The real talk that.
Guys,
if
you have good people in your corner, deal with them good and they'll always be there.
And I don't know about to come with the same for the same. You understand? Because you can't, and how you treat she
or him,
them are going to treat you the same. Don't expect that, guys. Never expect that.
Deal with people with respect, love and loyalty.
Because wait up where your respect and your joy and your luck come from, and not the person where you help. So never feel like say the same person where you help are going to help you.
Stranger going to help you.
You see me? Your help, just trust in a God and faith, guys. You see me right now, me MADDD. We are out.